Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 136 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Qaf is a heavy letter and this is 2 counts long, so make sure you make it 2 counts and it has to be heavy too. Lu, 2 counts long, and lu is 4 counts long. Why? Because whenever there is hamza and hamza is followed by mud letter, then you will convert 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. And this is called mad munfasil jaiz, because this mad letter is in one word and hamza is another word. So that's why it is munfasil. It has gap and it is jaiz. So mad munfasil jaiz, and you are stretching it 4 counts long. Qulu this sharp sound should be there. And this is 2 counts long. And alif sakina qablaha maftuh. And there is alif and alif is followed by fatha. Man meme, attach meme with noon, and you are line gunna over here because there are in Quran there are 2 huruf gunna. Noon sakin, noon mushaddad wa meme mushaddad. Meme with tashdid and noon with tashdid. So you are applying gunna over here. What is gunna? Gunna is to keep your sound in your nose. Manna, amanna. Na is 2 counts long. Billahi, give clear E sound. It shouldn't be dropped while you are attaching with the letter coming up. B, billah. This lafz jalala is light because you found what? Kasra before it. Billahi, he is short. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ma, 4 counts long because hamza is followed by mud letter. So this mud letter, because of this hamza, this 2 counts long vowel will be changed into 4 counts. So this is called mad munfasil jaiz. Wama hamza is a sharp sound. For dhamma, circle your lips, and there is ikhfa on noon. You are hiding the sound of noon, and this is called ikhfa. Ikhfa is from makhfi, like you are hiding it. You are not saying it as it is. Originally, that was un. Now, what you are saying, you are not saying noon. You are hiding sound of noon, and you're going towards za, and you're keeping sound in your nose. And this is the mechanism of ikhfa. Z for kasra, give e sound. La is short. E, hamza is a sharp sound. For kasra, give e sound. Lay, this is lean. Wow sakina qablaha maftu, wa ya sakina qablaha maftu are the 2 lean letters, and lean it has to be said very, very softly, and it will take 2 counts long time. Lay, how it will take 2 counts long? Because you are giving a nice enough time on fatha and attaching with ya very softly. Lay, na is 2 counts long. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa, ma, 4 counts long. Zila, ila, hamza is a sharp sound. For fatha, give e sound. ila. 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. How? Because this hamza is followed by the 2 counts long vowel, and now because of this hamza, this 2 counts long vowel will be changed into 4 counts long now. Ib, for kasra give e sound, and or hamza is a very sharp and short sound. Ib, and ba will get qalqala. Ra is heavy. Don't make ba heavy because of ra. Ib, it is ib ra. Don't say ibo ra. It's ib ra. Ra is 2 counts long, and ra is heavy here because whenever there is fatha or dhamma on ra, it is heavy. The heavy ra sounds like raw material. You can say that. Ib ra he is 2 counts long. Ma short. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Is hamza is a very sharp sound. Kasra give e sound and attach with seen. Seen will get rahawa. Seen will get safir. The whistle sound should be there. Is ma. There should on seen there should be flow of sound. There should be a whistle sound, and seen should be light. Ma is 2 counts long because the standing fatha is a complete alif. So this combination is a long vowel. I is 2 counts long, and ain should be from your throat very clearly. وإسماعيل. La is short. Wow for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Is, give a very sharp sound for hamza. Attached with seen, seen will get rakhawa, in this flow of sound. Seen will get safir, whistle sound, and it will be light. Is ha from your throat, and it should be 2 counts long. Yes, it should be 2 counts long. And why? Because this standing fatha is a complete alif. Ha, o is short, and qaf is short because there's short vowel. And qaf is a heavy letter, so we will write capital H. Ishaqa. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Yeah, is a soft letter attached with ain. Ain will get sifat tawassut. Yeah. Qu, for dhamma, circle your lips. And it is 2 counts long, and it is heavy. Qu, ba is short. Well, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with lam, and lam will get sifa of the wasut because this is with sukoon. Whenever lam is with sukoon, you are giving it with sifa of the wasut. Well, as hamza is a sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with seen. Seen will get safir. Seen is a light letter, and seen will get rukhawa. And rukhawa is a flow of sound. As, ba, 2 counts long. Pli, to is heavy letter, and for kasra give e sound. Pli, and the sound should be short. Pli, wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ma will be 4 counts long because there is a hamza followed by 2 counts long vowel. Whenever hamza is followed by 2 counts long vowel, and this 2 counts long vowel will be changed into 4 counts, and this is called mad munfasil jaiz. Wama hamza should be from your throat. It's a sharp sound for dhamma. Circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. T is short, ya is short. Utiya, mu. For dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Musa, sa 2 counts long. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. 2 counts long, and it should be from your throat very clearly. Sa 2 counts long. Wow for fatha, open your jaws. For wow, circle your lips. Ma, 4 counts long because there is Hamza. There is Hamza followed by 2 counts long vowel. Now this Hamza will change this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long, and this is called mad munfasil. Ja is oo, is 2 counts long. T short. Yan, you attach ya, and ya is a very soft letter. Don't give y sound into it. This Arabi ya is very much different from y and from any Urdu letter. It has its own quality, and it belongs to Arabi letter. So ya is a soft letter attached with noon, yan, and give gunna on noon, because there are 2 huruf gunna in Quran. Whenever you find them with tashdid, you will give gunna, and gunna is to keep your sound in your nose. Utiyan, na is for fatha, this is short. Biyuna for kasra, give e sound. B, and you are um, applying sifa of never here, and never is a raise of your sound. B, you is 2 counts long. Na short. Miru. This is idgham without gunna. You're not keeping sound in your nose here because this is a idgham. You're merging the sound of noon into ra without gunna. Mirab. Ra is heavy here because this is with fatha. Whenever ra is with fatha, you have to make it heavy, and the sound of heavy ra is ra. Ra, and attach with ba, rabbi. Ba is light. For kasra, give e sound. Don't forget to give e sound for kasra. Rabbi, him, he. This is he. Don't drop this sound. It cannot be him when you are saying with me. It's not him. It's him. He, if you say ha kasra he individually, what you say? He, b, t. So this sound should be there. Him, he, him, and give the wasut on meme because this is part of len armor, and the wasut is a medium flow of sound. La, 2 counts long. Nu, for dhamma, circle your lips. Fadzi, ra is light here. Give hums in fa, fa. This sound should be there whenever you find fa. This sound. Fadzi, and sorry, this is hums. Hums is a flow of breath. And ra is light, and light ra sounds like ri. Fer, ferri, for qaf, dhamma, circle your lips. Qaf is heavy, and for dhamma, circle your lips. Bay, this is lean, and lean is this. Look, this is ya sakina qablaha maftuh, and you're making it 2 counts long, and you're saying it very softly, giving a very nice time on your fatha and attaching with ya. Bay, na is short. Hamza is a sharp sound for fatha. Open your jaws. Ha should be from your throat. Dim, idgham with gunna. You are merging sound of tanween into meme with gunna, like you are keeping the sound in your nose. And this is idgham, and abbreviation of idgham is ID, idgham. Ahadim min. There is the sifa of tawassut, and rule is idhar. Minhum. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with meme, and meme will get the wassut. Hum. Wa. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Nah. Ha has rakhawa, flow of sound, let it flow. نحن for ضمة circle your lips. لا short. Who for two counts long. mus for ضمة circle your lips. As soon as you will touch sin, your lips should be in a straight, normal, natural position. Musli, li is in, for kasra, give e sound. Li, mu. There is a temporary sukoon, and before temporary sukoon, you found two counts long vowel. Now this temporary sukoon will change this two counts long vowel into four counts long, and this is called mad arid lis sukoon. okay, wait, I'll recite it for you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قولوا آمنا بالله وما أنزل إلينا وما أنزل إلى إبراهيم وإسماعيل وإسحاق ويعقوب والأسباط وما أوتي موسى وعيسى وما أوتي النبيون من ربهم لا نفرق بين أحد منهم ونحن له مسلمون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.